Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we're gonna learn how to change Instagram password if forgotten. First of all, open your Instagram application login page, then tap on forgot password. Now it asks you for your username, email or phone number. Here I'm providing my username. You can also provide your phone number. To do so, tap on phone. Now, after providing your details, tap on next, then it will show your account. They'll send you a link or login code and it asks you if you want it on your Gmail or phone. Here, I choose send an email. You can see the email send message on your screen. Tap on OK. You'll then receive a link or a code on your Gmail inbox. Here I received a mail. I'm opening it and there you can see two options saying login as and your username and then reset your password. Now tap on reset password. Then you'll reach to this page. Enter your new password and re-enter it in order to confirm and tap on reset password. So that is all for the video. You have now successfully changed your password. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Hit the like button if the video helped you and also please do subscribe to our channel for similar contents.